And they're off. This is Blue Mountain here, and just outside of Collingwood in Ontario. And this is like the climbing wall. I guess I wouldn't like to be left dangling there all day. There's all kinds of stuff to do here. It's like a kid's big climbing thing. Over here is sort of like a big playground in the sky. Let's walk down here a little bit. And way, way off in the distance there, you can see that's Georgian Bay. Near Collingwood. Here's some more. Let's just check it. What's out here? So you get them hooked up. Oh, somebody needs a ladder. Huh. Well, you can watch somebody climbing while I'm waiting for these three to go. Woo, they're off. Oh, bingo. Well, good fun. I'll show you the kind of the luge track here in the summertime. It's coming up here. Lots of people here. Okay. Walk over here. Be a grand tour. So this is obviously a ski hill. And this is a way to use the grounds and hotels and everything in the summertime. So there's just like a lot of stuff going on here. And then over here, let's just go over and have a look. So here's more people lining up to go. Zip lining, and then over here is a this luge track where you go down like in a little go-kart. Right here. Oh, people running. There's the track. See if anybody's coming down. So there's somebody going up. Interesting. Oh, more people running. Yeah, it's a very busy place. The sign said the lineup to go on the luge run for the cart was an hour and a half. Yeah, I think. Oh, here's one. Finally, someone's coming. There we go. Let's have a look. Yeah. I've done it years ago, so I know the drill. And then I'll just show you the last thing here. They call it the gondola, which is basically to take you to the top of the ski hill. And you can either ride down or you can walk down. But anyhow, oh, here's someone just coming in at the very end. Oh, doesn't look too exciting. But there you have it. Blue Mountain in the wintertime.